This is what we're gonna do today, man. We're gonna do the oil filter housing.
E60
Silver Surfer. Yeah, man. You got the E36 too. Man. Reggie, man. You see what he got going on, man?
Hey, about to get it popping. Try to get this oil filter housing going for this E30, this E60 30i, and just gotta go through the works.
Yeah, man.
You gotta take off your air filter.
Yep.
Box, shit. And you gotta take off all. You gotta basically clear out the whole area. Just to get to all this shit.
Hell yeah, man.
So,
definitely congratulations on getting the house too, man.
hell yeah, man.
First things first, you know.
I worked my fucking ass off for this shit.
Before 30, man. He got his first house before 30, man. That's crazy, man. Alright, guys. So far what we did, we pulled out the alternator. And right now we're taking off the belt tensioner. So this is the bracket for the alternator. The whole oil filter housing is right here.
Shit. And you had to use a 16, ratchet. 16 socket to take off the bolts for the alternator. What the fuck am I looking for?
Yep.
So that's a 14.
It's a 16 for the mountain bolts he's talking about. And shit, man, we gotta take the power steering pump off too. Guys, so now we about to pull out the oil filter housing, man.
And notice, keep all the bolts inside of it, because every one of them are different.
Alright, guys. So we just cleaned out the oil filter gaskets. As you can see, this thing is like so hard and like you can't even bend it with your finger. Damn. So it's time for that to be changed. All the new gasket. Cleaned off the mating surface. It's fresh.
And make sure you don't get your gaskets offline, because there's gonna be some bullshit. Get this shit from BMW. Anything else you can get offline, but gasket seals, get it get it from BMW.
Yeah, man. That's what we going in with it. We bolt it up. Bolt it up right here. Alright, so now we're just going back in with the housing. Gaskets in. We're running down now with the electrical wrapping. Yep.
Just go on, just do a little by little so it can catch.
Alright guys, it's all done, man. We all done here, man. Stop raining. Gonna try to enjoy the rest of this day, man. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and make sure you turn on your notification bell. And see you next video. And yeah, gonna say your farewells, man.
It's just you and I, and who am I if I ain't trying to know ya? I've been trying to find you, and you find too. I can finally show you what it really means to know ya. Just wanna be the one to show you. I owe you for the chance to know you. When I hold you, I always told you that I'ma always be around. Got you right where I need ya. My place with a pound of reefer. Sit back and roll the sativa. You are so much more than a diva. I promise to never leave ya. That's a promise I'm keeping. And I heard your boyfriend been cheating, baby. Here's your chance to get even. Take a break from the grind. Just Mary Jane, tequila shots, and a twisted lime. So roll with me. Smoke with me. No more nights of misery. Just you and me, and our souls at peace. Believe in me as I achieve your dreams. Never magically feel this melody. Yes, soul is forever, and now she sees we are the coolest that will ever be. Just take a deep breath and inhale this weed as I lose my mind and I find my time. Then she will find me. Soul is forever, and she knows it, 'cause soul is so better. Roll with me. Smoke with me. Glow with me. Smoke with me. Roll with me. Smoke with me. Ease your mind. Let's find time. Take a break from the grind. Just Mary Jane, tequila shots, and a twisted lime. So roll with me. Smoke with me. No more nights of misery. Just you and me, and our souls at peace. Believe in me as I achieve your dreams. Never magically feel this melody. Yes, soul is forever, and now she sees we are the coolest that will ever be. Just take a deep breath and inhale this weed as I lose my mind and I find my time. Then she will find me.